sinabi niya wala na sa trabaho, nagre-rejoin.
Nakaka-bless yung 5M nangyari. Partner.
Yes po!
Ako, lagot na.
Akala nila, I'm officially happy unemployed.
Grabe.
Ang sarap naman nun. Parang sarap naman i-announce nun pagdating ng time.
Kaya lala ko na rin SGM kasi tama po, because of this business, no, sinimulan ko yung bagong taon na may trabaho at tinapos natin yung sinimulan natin ang taon 2024 na may trabaho at tinapos natin taon 2024 na by the grace of God, full-time na sa negosyo.
Sarap maging bongga, no?
To share more inspiration, sinimulan ko yung year 2024 first quarter. That was the time that I was able to hit my first million sa business. And it's through JC, through Erenista, Program Mentors, Coaches, GS, GRNs, and Smartings natin. Thank you so much because of this business. Nag-start ako na I hit my first million at tinapos ko ang year 2024. Na in-expect ko lang, kahit mag-ROI na ako GL sa diamond package na in-avail ko, kahit mag-1 million na ako, pero by the grace of God, nag-times 10, nag-5.1 million na.